Good morning, Letterlanders. It's Mrs. Knippenberg here with your Letterland lesson of the day. I'm excited you're here. And before I tell you our objective or our lesson goal for the day, I wanted to do a quick warm up to get our mouths ready to build words. So we're going to do a segmenting game. I'm going to say some sounds and I want you to put those sounds together to make a word. So you have to listen to the beginning, the middle, and the ending sounds. And then I'm going to have you put them together and make a word. So let's go ahead and try it. Here we go. K, a, cup. Good job. Next one. P, o, a, t. That's a tricky one. Let's try that one again. Listen. P, o, a, t. Can you put it together? Plate. Good job. Let's try one more. N, I, f. Listen again. N, I, f. You're right. Knife. Good segmenting and blending those words. Now your mouths are ready to help me sound out words. Good morning, Letterlanders. Today's objective is I can build short I word families. Now to help us get ready to build short I word families, we need to know what short I says. So if you look over here in the corner, I see a picture of one of our Letterlanders who indeed makes the short I sound. Do you know who this is? You're right, it's Impy Ink. And to make his sound, remember, we pretend like we have sticky ink in our hand and we go, eh. Try it again with me, ready? Eh. Can you do it at home? Eh. Listen to Impy Ink's story and you'll hear some words that have his eh sound in them. And these words all have something in common, just like last week when we learned our short A sound in words. These words are called word families because they all have the same ending. So I want you to listen and see if you can hear what ending is the same about all of the words. Hello, I'm Impy Ink. I can hear his I sound. Listen to my I sound in words like pin. Listen to my I sound in words like fin. Listen to my I sound in words like chin. Look, each time I write a word, I use my ink again. Oh, let's look at these words over here that have a line under them, and they're kind of in bold. That means dark print. I notice that they all have something that is the same. Look at the word pin and fin and chin. What is the same about all of those words? Well, if you said that they all rhyme, you are right. And there's a reason why they all rhyme. Look at the letters in these words. Do you see any kind of pattern that's the same? Look really carefully. All right, I'm going to circle it in case you can't see it, but many of you probably did. Pin has an in it. Do you see that? Fin has an in, and chin has an in. The reason these words rhyme is because they all have an in them. And today we're going to build some words that rhyme with the in family. So over here you can see that I have the in family. And here's the family house to help us remember. But at the bottom, I want to make some words that rhyme with in. So I'm only going to change the first sound. I'm going to leave the in, but change the first letter to make a new word. So let's kind of look at the sounds below and maybe we can practice them. We have a p, f, w, b. Do you remember this digraph? TH says kind of tickles your tongue. We have a t, and the CH says ch, kind of makes a soft sound like Clever Cat is sneezing because it's tickling Harry Hatman's hat. Ch. Okay, let's try and make the word win. Like I want to win the race. Listen to the first sound in win. Woo. I think it's this one, the W. I'm going to put the W in front of the in to make it say win, win. Good job. I'm going to move that back down. All right, this time I want to make the word tin. I open a tin can of soup, or a can of soup comes in a tin can. Think about which letter down here should I put in front of in to make it say tin. You're right, the T. And now I'm going to sound it out to make sure. T, in, tin. All right. Now I want to make the word pin. I might use a pin to hold something together on my clothes. So in. You're right. The P needs to go here so it can say in. All right, I'm going to try one more. I'm touching my chin. Listen, chin. Oh, you're right. It's CH. Says chin. Let's sound it out. In, chin. Great job. And I didn't get through all the sounds, but you could go back through this video later and you could practice adding those or use them when you build your own words. Now we're going to make some words that rhyme with in, and this time we're going to write them because this is what you get to do for your job today in your notebook. And so I'm going to practice and model it for you, and then you guys get to go off and do it on your own. So remember when we did our short A sounds, we talked about real or nonsense words. So I want to think of some real words that rhyme with in, and I can think about the last page that we just did when I put the sounds in front of in to make real words. Like the word pin. I'm going to write the word pin, but first I'm going to sound it out. P, in. I can also rainbow slide it, or roller coaster, slide it on my arm. Do you remember how we do that? The first sound is up here. P, in. P, in. Pin. All right, I'm going to write that. P. I'm going to write the sounds I hear. And I know the in family has an I-N. So I'm just going to add an I and an N. All right, now I'm going to do another one. Let's see. Let's do one that we didn't make on the other page. Thin. Ooh, this is tricky. I hear the my tongue is sticking between my teeth. It's a TH. So I'm going to write thin. Like thin is another word for skinny. I'm going to write TH. And then I'm going to write in, which is our word family of the day, I-N. All right, now I'm going to go over here, and you're going to be able to write more in words than just 2 words. Maybe you could try to write 5 real in words. And now I'm going to go over here, though, and do a nonsense word. Remember, nonsense words are silly words. They aren't real words. So I'm going to think of a word that rhymes with in that is not a real word. Oh, I know. I'm going to write the word rin. Rin. I don't know what a rin is, so I think it's a silly word. In. And I can write the in again to make rin. Now maybe you can think of some more nonsense words to write. So let's take a peek at what your job is now for today. It's your turn. In your notebook or on a piece of paper, write a list of in words, just like I did. You can make 2 lists, one with real words and one with nonsense or silly words. You can use this Letterland chart that I've posted to help you if you need help with the sounds. You can even illustrate a picture of some of your words you build. Like if you write tin, you could draw a picture of a tin can. For those of you that want a challenge, see if you can make a list of more words from another short I family like ig or ip. Have fun and go be word builders. Bye-bye, Letterlanders. Have a great day.